welcome to day 6 of the Advent calendar. It is December the 6th. Probably don't need to do both of those intros, but I'm going to keep doing it because it's nice. I hope you're well. We're nearly a week in. Exciting. Today I am wearing my Maven pattern somerset top in a spotty polka dot fabric that I bought from My Fabrics, I believe. Another one with the balloon sleeves. This was a great make as well. I featured this on a video I did a little while ago. I'll put a link to it on the screen now if you want to go and check out a little bit more about the pattern. It's a really good one though if you want to sew up something that's just incredibly easy to wear for everything. I wear this all the time. My baby, who is nearly 1, also thinks it's amazing because it's very high contrast, and every time I put it on she's kind of like, what is this? So, you know, good for confusing children too. So today's joke, I thought of last night at about 2 a.m. as I was going back to sleep, having fed her. Just going through a period of really deciding that waking up in the night is super fun. I'm trying to persuade her that this is not the case. But as I was dropping off to sleep, as your brain sometimes does, I was like, ooh, I should do that joke. It's a really good joke. I love that joke. And it's true, it is. It also requires me to do an impression, which, let's be honest, is basically the only reason I do these. So the joke is also Star Wars themes. It is a Christmas Star Wars crossover joke. I know. Pretty great. So if you haven't watched Star Wars, you might not get it. But stay with me. Okay. So picture the scene. Luke Skywalker walks onto the Death Star. This isn't going to be representative of what happens in the film. I should probably just caveat that. Darth Vader is standing there looking out the window at the cosmos. And Luke walks up behind him, looking determined. And he hears this. Luke, I know what you're getting for Christmas. We hope you can hear that. Luke, I hope you could. Luke, you want to do the voice. I know what you're getting for Christmas. That's what Darth Vader says, in case you couldn't hear it through the amazing impression of his breathing apparatus. And Luke says, what? But how? Darth Vader says, I felt your presence. Star Wars joke. Good. So, moving swiftly on to Advent theme number 6. Thank you to all of you who have already submitted your hacks. Amazing hacks being put on the comments. I won't be able to feature all of them, partly because I have to film the hack, obviously, and I won't have the stuff to be able to do it all. But if you're interested in other hacks, have a look through the comments on some of the previous videos, because there are some corkers in there. I am going to feature some of them. I will credit you when I do. I'm going to run through mine first, and then we'll get to the ones that everyone submitted. But today's hack for day 6 is coming up now. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of the Advent calendar series. Bye!
Today's tip is about how to sharpen up a rotary cutter blade when yours has gone blunt and you don't have a spare knocking around in your haberdashery supplies. Very annoying when it happens, but fear not, tinfoil can come to your rescue. Just the normal tinfoil that you have in your kitchen cupboard. Lay it down on a self-healing mat or something that's not going to get cut underneath it, and roll your rotor blade over the whole surface so that the entire circumference of the blade has gone through the foil once or twice. You should find that sharpens up your blade nicely and means that in a pinch, when you don't have time to run to the haberdashery store or Amazon won't deliver quickly enough, you can cut your fabric again without needing to snag it. Marvellous.